Hi, Rupani.
Oh, sorry. I said I wasn't there on Friday.
Yeah, last session where you in?
Yeah, I had to go for an event for emergency.
Okay, okay. I'm asking you in the last session where you are.
Oh, the last session, where was I at? Wait, I know we did Selenium.
Since everything out there with me, that's what I'm confused. That's what last session.
Right,
Because
I'm trying to think. To be honest,
actually my laptop was started Rupani, so that is the only problem.
okay.
This is the one. Yeah, Sipra, did you remember in the last session where we are in?
Um, it's I think the Crash browser. We are still in the IDE, uh, and I think the Crash browser testing or something like that. I think.
So in ID only. So did we discuss about these things talk about certain to start points, everything?
Mm.
And we are in formats, I think, right?
Yeah, we are in format.
Okay, with me, I remember it was the last thing was the export. Um,
But yeah, this is only export,
okay,
right?
yeah, export test suite.
Now the breakpoint we didn't discuss now. In the last session, you just joined or not, Rupali?
No, Friday I wasn't there.
Okay, that is the only thing. So Friday I just explained about the target breakpoint, certain things.
Breakpoint. Mm-hmm.
So right now I'm going to explain about the options. Options also just explain. So here remember base year. Remember base year means observe when we're going to capture. So when we check this one, then I'm trying to record what is the initial URL. So initially what URL is just open. So that it is okay. That it is written as a base URL. For example, here I'm going to capture the
Sirisa, can you start the recording meeting? I didn't start my record meeting.
please go ahead and take the
Okay, give me.
both meeting I cannot
Yeah,
see.
yeah. Start. Sorry.
So like that, I just reflected. So right now, just observe what happened. Initially, earlier it is Google.co or something like that. But here, whenever I started the recording, I am going to stop it. Okay. So the base URL, what is the initial URL it is open? Bing.com. So that is going to capture right now. That was okay. So that is what about base year. After that, we are already discussed, right? So here, formatters options are not enabled. How we are going to enable those formatter options? Here, if we need to click the enable experimental features, then only formatter options are enabled. Okay? So right now, just go to options format for all the formats. What is the use of formatters is, for example, here, in the source code, whatever the activity is performed, the HTML related code is there, right? So here, I want to change this code. You can able to change it any language. Of course, not only this here. So you can able to externally add on like PHP formatters are there, different formatters are there. You can able to change your language. So here, right now, I want to change this. HTML is there, right? So I want to change this to Java, right? So just when we change the format, observe Java code is coming, right? It's like that you can able to change the format also.
Oh,
Okay, you can able to change the format also, like that. So when it is enabled, when we click the enable experimental features in your system, then only this thing is enabled, right on.
mhm.
Okay, so after that, and some more disable format change warning messages. Okay, so disable format change warning message means, for example, if you click on that one, so if you change the format, obviously some warnings are coming up, right? So when we click on that one, so there is no warnings. Directly it is going to change. Right now it is in Java. Right? I want to change the just without any intimation, without any warning, it is going to change from right because we just disabled it, right or not?
Mhm.
We just disabled it. So like that work will be process. So, and also start recording immediately on it. If you want to start, when you open the ID, immediately it's going to start it. Okay, if you want this, you can able to do that. Otherwise, you can uninstall. Okay, so like that, you can go ahead and of course, formatters. These are the formatters. Like it's externally what you just added, that information. Located ruler. So this is the most important concept. So in different classes, we are going to discuss. After that, we need to discuss HTML or something else. After that, we are going to do this. Okay. So recording assert and verify we will discuss it, right? Assert I will verify. I think yes. I will be. Yes, Sitra.
Sorry?
Assert I will discuss, right?
Yeah, up to this we have already discussed. So you are just telling us to like the Java and HTML. You gave some link.
Okay, we
Um,
will install that one.
you gave some link. Sorry, it's in my Gmail. Mm, it's
That's
not.
what I mean. Did you install that one or not?
No, no, I didn't install that one.
Okay, just install. So, Rupari, and for both of you also, just will call for you. You also, I'm going to send that one.
You sent me a couple of emails. I did one and I still have to do the other one.
Okay, okay, okay. You're already getting, huh?
Hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
We're going to okay. So, just install is Java. Okay.
Yeah.
Use your Mac or something else, then you can able to install properly. Otherwise, if you have any issues, then let me know. I will do.
Okay, okay.
Supra, you're also just try if not getting some issues like me. Right. So the next, So just I think ID normal construct means like then we can go ahead with the HTML code or something else. Okay. So HTML I already explained you right. If you have some knowledge, so if you
Mm-hmm.
want to go some knowledge, w3schools.com. So actually little knowledge is enough.
Okay. I don't know.
You're not having a much knowledge on this one. Okay, here w3schools.com is the website to learn. If you want to just when you are having free time or something, just look it over this one. Okay. Okay. So it just explain like what is colors, what is comment, what is styles, they are in that. Okay. Is it clear, guys?
Yes. Right.
So right now. So I told you that in the QTP, whatever the actions we just perform, we will script generated. So here command target value is generated. So what is mean the command target value? Okay. So what is mean the command target value? So how we are going to do this thing? I will explain. So whatever the actions we just perform, it is converted into three ways, like command target value. So what is mean by this is I will explain it here. For example, I will just take an example. Okay. So here my task is I am going to email is there. Okay. So after here I explain you one task. Okay, sorry. So here Gmail is there. So here my task is I want to enter email ID in this email ID read box. Okay. So enter email ID in the email ID read box. That is my task. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So if you take any task, first let me know. Just write the email. Enter user ID.
Yeah.
Username. Okay, username is my email ID. Username in the space is not working here. Okay. So if you take any action, first of all, we are going to take it as a three action. We are going to divide it as a three ways. Like what? First of all, what action we are performing. Okay. So what action we are performing. So that is nothing but command. What action we are performing. After that, where we are going to perform means target. Where we are going to perform this action, we have to specify. And of course, what value you are going to enter, we have to. So let me know first of all what action we are performing in this example.
Action to open an application.
Okay, in this one, enter username, email
Mm-hmm.
ID, exactly what action we are performing. Rupali,
We are entering in the user ID.
yeah, what action we are performing? That's what I was.
The clicking text action.
You're almost there, but you're not.
Entering text.
Exactly. That's fine. Entering. Exactly. Right? So entering what action we are performing? Entering, right?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
We're going to entering. Right? After
Mm.
that, target. Where you are going to enter.
in the text box.
Email ID edit box, right? Okay. So like email ID edit box.
Yeah. Good.
Next, what value you are going to enter here? Username or whatever the email ID is there, that email ID. Or right now I am going to enter username, username and email.com. That is my email.
Mm-hmm.
So what value you are going to enter? Username.
Username.
So here, when we take the ID, okay, I'm going to take a new test. Right. So command target value. So here command means action, right? So command
Mm-hmm.
is nothing but actions, right? So what action we are performing? We entering. So
Entering.
we are mentioning it as a type. We are typing right on. Okay.
Yes.
So when we write type, when we trying to write type, it's automatically coming like type and write type, please type, please select. There's so many things that, right? So which one? Okay, you want, you can able to select that. So you can able to select type or type, but anything. Type is anything, right? So I'm going to select type. So target, how to identify the elements. How to identify the elements. So we are saying that email ID link box. Okay. Okay. But how we are going to identify it? By using inspect
Says
element with option. That is an important concept. That class will maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow we are going to discuss. Maximum tomorrow we are going to discuss that. Okay. Right? Okay. So like inspect element with above option is there. So I will explain you. Maybe on that time you can able to analyze. So right now, for example, I know about this one, so I'm writing right ID posting. So the next, what value you are going to enter? You want to enter
Mm.
username,
username.
User.
right? So like that. Okay, you have to analyze first of all. Okay. So right now you are trying to execute this one. Just observe. Here I am just executed. Now just observe what happens when it is entered. Username is entered, right or not? It is
Yeah.
executed. Okay. So username is entered here in a red box, right or not?
Yeah.
Okay. So like that we can use this time. And some more theory concept is the recurring HTML. Okay. So what are those theory concept? Everything. So everything, class notes, everything will be in my other laptop only. So I'll forward that one. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
In the
Oh,
tomorrow session, we're going to discuss HTML, what is HTML related, everything concepts. Okay.
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 Okay. So right now today, I'm just going to brief you like what we are going to. So for
Okay.
example, HTML. So observe every HTML code. Okay, must be have start with the tags. Observe. HTML stands for first of all hypertext markup language. Okay.
Okay.
So we are not having in-depth knowledge, guys. Just a brief information. That's it. Okay, just a 10 minutes will be discussed. That's it. How to identify the elements on that only we can use this. Okay, so every HTML document, okay, is in tags. Is in the tags. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
HTML is surrounded by the tag names. Okay, surrounded by the angle brackets. Angle bracket means here is the angle brackets, right? So the document which is described between the HTML to HTML is HTML to ending of the HTML. So that HTML ending is here it is. The text between HTML and HTML is called the HTML document. Okay.
Okay.
So the text between head to head provides the information about the document, and the title means provides the title for the document, and body means, so body only we can able to view this page. Visual page is displayed in the body. Okay? Visual page. So these are the tag names, guys. Okay. So these tag names, these are starting tag names. Ending is here it is like backslash. It is going to end this. Okay. Right. So the HTML between P, have to keep at the paragraph. This paragraph, which means headings. Okay, like that we have different headings are there. You can able to specify images. Is clear? And the internal structure looks like this. Okay, HTML, header, title, and okay, after that body, whatever the things we have specified in a body, that is only visual page, guys. That
Oh,
is only we can able to see it. Okay, so of course, for example, here it is some documents also there. We can able to try it with our own. So here it is, right? Try it yourself. Observe when we execute this one, here it is the command. Okay, like that. Okay, so we can able to add it also some more. Okay, we can able to delete it also. Okay, then we can able to execute. Run means it is going to execute. Okay, if you want to add or remove anything, when you click on run, it is going to execute. So just practice when you're having free time. Just look it out this one. So you're having some idea. Okay.
okay.
After this, we are going to discuss about the how to do everything. Okay.
Mm.
Okay. So remaining concepts tomorrow we are going to discuss because there is not their class notes. Everything is not there with us. With me. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So tomorrow, at any cost, I am going to solve my issue, laptop issue, and I will continue the session for you regularly. Okay, guys.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Sirisha, hang on
Yeah.
1 second.
What?
I said, can you hang on for 1 second?
Yeah. Sure. Sure.
Thank you.